This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. April 8th, 2019. This is where markets are trading. Let's take a look at Micron's daily chart. It's going to be a quick one, a very simple line that I'm going to draw here, connecting RSI tops like that. That can be one line. You can also draw it from this high here. And clearly you can see what I'm getting at here on the daily chart. This is where we are seeing resistance on the daily for MU. And so the conclusion here is very simple. As long as we continue seeing resistance here, this is now pullback territory for the stock. Now, one way it can fix this is by, at some point, moving above the two lines, which are the RSI topside resistance line. So a breakout above this level is needed if the stock is going to clear current levels. Or we can actually use this daily closing high right here as a breakout level to watch. That level is at 43.99. So we can see here a breakout is needed. Otherwise, at this rate, we can actually even see that this looks like it was a failed breakout about 4 or 5 days ago. Again, this is now confirming RSI resistance on the two lines. A failed breakout does suggest that the next meaningful direction in terms of a swing trade favors higher odds for lower prices. And again, to fix this, we would need to see a price breakout above 43.99 or the RSI moving above those two lines of resistance. So for now, looks like swing trade is set and suggests to expect a pullback in terms of price action. One other observation, we had improvement here in terms of prices, but this is now at the expense of the RSI, which is showing negative divergence, which is also adding more color to this idea, this concept, this expectation that the next meaningful direction is for a pullback lower. We can also see that if we take this RSI area where we had a recent break, this RSI area has now turned into resistance. And now here. So unless we see price and RSI breakout above the resistance levels discussed here, looks like the stock is set for a meaningful swing trade to the downside. We'll see how it goes. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.